old soul, doing what I gotta do. I'm pimping it out like a Cadillac, no doubt from 1965. I got the hood down, gotta shout, yeah, we pumping, got the hip hop on. We do it like it's 1995 all the time. Oh no, I'm like Louis Armstrong, I'm improvising, always striving to do the best, be my best. Yo, you see, I'm a jazz man. I switch it up, bring it back to you the best I can. I let you know, oh, I never take it slow. I get fast with the heart attack, baby girl. You know I gotta pass, on all your hardest stuff because I gotta take it easy. I'm about to bust. Come on, you want to got that voodoo, bring it back to you with that freaky style. Too true. If you wanna switch it up like this, you better dismiss everything you write down. I can't dismiss. I'm just talking, speaking, hocking, making hocking, make rock who could I can yeah. I just let it keep going. I'm flowing. I don't give a fuck what I say, you know. And yeah, it's cool 'cause that's the vibe. And we being laid back. I'm doing it all the time, and I'm doing it all the time, and I'm doing it all the time, and I'm doing it all the time, all the time, all the time. I'm like, oh, yo, you wanna switch it up? Well, shut the fuck up, man. I getting back to bust. Your summertime and the living is easy. Gotta make my girl happy. Gotta make life easy breezy. If you wanna do what you wanna do, you better do it for her, brother, man. Too true. Oh, listen, don't quit, yeah, improvise. Don't try to realize, just do everything for those eyes. Yeah, and the thighs shake that way. You know you got to play. Come on, 1, 2, voodoo, 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 voodoo is what we do. Voodoo, voodoo, voodoo is what we do. Voodoo, voodoo, man, don't understand. There's no master plan. I just improvise and everything around me is peachy keen. Yeah, motherfucker me. Come on, we gotta get back with that soul. If you wanna be back like the old, you got to have some in your mind. That's letting it go. You just gotta show you're plain and cool. Do what you gotta do. We old school. Everybody trying to switch it up in here, but I got those tracks on. Yo, don't disappear. I got the yeah, ancient time kicking like yeah, all the time. I got those ancient times kicking back in my tribal mastermind. I'm fine doing what I gotta do to get back with that old school nasty boy. I got a little tang and I gotta let you know. I gotta yeah, bringing it back with that rocket tag. Yeah, jazz, I improvise, do what I gotta do. I don't try to realize another sunny day 'cause it's summertime. And the living is easy and my life is breezy and the cotton's high, the fish are fly, and I do what I gotta do. My mama mine, got those sick curves swinging that way, and baby, don't ever stop today. I gotta let you know you gotta just keeping it flowing, getting it going, doing what you're showing. If you're showing some talent, see, you better not bring it back like the C flat minor. Oh, D flat diminished. Yo, I gotta know, I gotta be finished. Hexatonic song, a tingatonic. I need a gin and tonic, but I don't like the taste of pine. I like wine, a little bit of Marinara, Grand Marnier, and a little Monet, yeah, sounds divine. A little Shakespeare, not my thing, 'cause I'm not home. Yo, a juvenile, just gotta smile, doing what I gotta do, no denial. And man, taking it out with the B, you see, gotta bring it back like it's 1963. We gotta live again like it's old school times, like it's 1855 BC, motherfuckers, yeah.